Are you tired of people constantly seeing you online on WhatsApp? Want to keep your privacy intact and appear offline even while using the app? In this video, I'll show you how to always appear offline on WhatsApp with some simple settings and tricks. First, open WhatsApp and go to the Settings menu. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Next, tap on Privacy and look for the Last Seen and Online option. Here, you can choose who can see your last seen. Select Nobody to completely hide your online status. Then, under the Who Can See When I'm Online option, choose Same as Last Seen. This ensures no one can see when you're active. Additionally, you can turn off Read Receipts in the privacy settings to further maintain your privacy. With these steps, you'll appear offline on WhatsApp even when you're using it. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips.